want to find my mommy. I do not want to go there.
Come along now. Your father is waiting outside for you.
No! I do not know you. I will wait for my mom.
Stop right there! Step away from those children now!
Come on, my loves. Today we shop together at the big mall.
Wait, kids. Before we go in, remember one rule. Stay close to us.
Yes, Daddy. I will hold your hand the whole time. I know. I am not a little baby, Dad.
Ben, this mall is very big. A child can get lost here so easily.
Do not worry, Mom. I am very smart. I know everything. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Talkie Go!
Ben, bad people can be anywhere. You must always stay with us.
No bad person can trick me. I am too clever. Wow, look at all the lights and shops. It is so big.
First, we buy healthy food for dinner. Then we can have fun.
Food is so boring. I want to see the cool toys.
We will see toys later, son. Food comes first today.
Later. You always say later. Mom, can I put the apples in the basket for you?
Of course, Ruby. You are such a helpful girl.
They only like Ruby. I will go find the toys myself.
Lily, look at this cereal. Is it the healthy one for the kids?
Ruby, come with me. Mom and Dad are not looking. No, Ben. Dad said we must stay here. We should not go. Come on, just for 1 minute. The toys are right there. I do not think this is a good idea, Ben. You are just scared. I am going. Follow me if you want. Ben, wait! Do not leave me. Please slow down. Look at all these toys. This is the best day ever. We are too far now. I cannot see Mom and Dad anymore. Do not worry so much. We will go back in a minute. Ben, everything looks the same here. Which way did we come? Look, a giant robot toy. I want to see this one.
Ben? Ruby? Where did you two go? Answer me!
Leo, the children are gone! They are not here! Oh no!
Stay calm. You look this way, I will look that way. Hurry!
See, Ruby? Nobody caught us. I told you it was fine. But Ben, we are lost now. I want to go back to Mom. Okay, fine. Let us go back. It is this way, I think. Wait, was it left or right? All the shops look the same. You said you knew everything! Now we are really lost. Do not cry, Ruby. I will find the way. Just hold my hand. Mom? Dad? Where are you? We are over here. Nobody can hear us. There are too many people everywhere. Let us walk this way. Maybe we will see the food shop again. My legs hurt, Ben. We have been walking for so long. This is not the right way. I have never seen this place before. Ben, where did everybody go? I am sorry, Ruby. I should have listened to Mom and Dad. It is okay, Ben. Let us just try to find a helper.
Let us use a phone. We can call Mom right now.
But we do not have a phone. And I forgot Mom's number.
I forgot the number too. I never learned it by heart.
Mom always told us to remember it. We never listened.
I was so proud. I said I knew everything. But I know nothing.
Excuse me. Did you see a small boy and girl pass here?
Leo, I am so scared. Where are my babies? We must find them.
Do not give up. Let us find a security guard right now.
I am so thirsty and tired. My legs cannot walk anymore.
It is so dark in this hallway. I do not like it here.
Don't worry, Ruby. I will take care of us.
I just want to go home and hug our mommy.
Hello, children. Why are you sitting here all alone?
We are lost, sir. We cannot find our mom and dad.
Oh, do not worry. I am a good friend of your daddy.
You know our daddy? Really? How do you know him?
How do you know him?
Yes, he sent me to find you. Look, I have sweet chocolate.
Chocolate!
I am so hungry. Thank you very much, sir.
Wait, Ben. Mom said never take things from strangers.
I am not a stranger. Your daddy is waiting in my car outside.
Dad is outside? But why did he not come himself?
He is very busy. Come now, quickly, before he leaves.
No! We do not know you. We will wait for our dad here.
Do not be silly. Both of you, come along with me now.
Like, share, comment, subscribe. Talkie Go!
No! I want my mommy! I am not going with you.
Come now. Your daddy is waiting for you. Let us go.
You are not my daddy's friend. I do not know you.
Help! Somebody help us, please! We do not know this man.
Shh, do not shout. There is no need for that.
My mom told me to say no. No, we want our mom and dad.
Stop right there. Step away from those children now.
Oh no, a guard! I must go before he catches me.
He is gone. Thank you, sir.
You are safe now, children. That bad man has gone away.
No, sir. But he said he was our daddy's friend. He lied.
He was a bad man. You must never follow strangers.
I know, sir. I did not listen to my mom and dad.
We are sorry, sir. We forgot to learn the number by heart.
Stay right here with me. You are both safe now. Control room, this is Paul. I found 2 lost children safe.
Will you really find our mom and dad, sir? Please hurry.
Yes, I will. Now walk with me to the safe front desk.
Thank you, sir. You are a real hero to us.
Attention, please. Parents of a lost boy and girl, come to the front desk.
Leo, listen! That is our children. Let us run, hurry!
Ben! Ruby! We are coming! Please wait, my children!
Mommy! Daddy! You found us!
I am so sorry.
Oh, my babies! You are safe. I was so scared for you.
We got lost, Mommy, but a kind guard helped us find you.
A bad man? Thank you, sir. You saved our children.
They are brave children. But they must learn some safety rules.
Ben, why did you walk away? I told you to stay close.
I am sorry, Dad. I was too proud. I thought I knew everything.
Being lost is scary, is it not? Now you understand why we worry.
Yes, Mom. I was so scared. I will always listen now. I followed Ben, Mom. I should have said no and stayed.
You were both wrong, but you are safe. That is all that matters now.
Remember, children, stay close, learn our phone number, and never follow a stranger.
I promise, Dad. I learned my lesson. Being humble is better than being proud.
Stay close, stay safe, and always listen to your parents.
Like, share, comment, subscribe. Talkie Go!